Welcome to the in front of me OnePlus Nord 2T, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up the face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how far this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here so fast. We just can unlock the devices less than in half of a second. This is a really good result. I just want to try one more thing because I set up my face recognition without the glasses, and now I'll just wear them. I'll try to unlock the device with the glasses, and we will see does it works. So as we can see, there is now just no problem. The face unlock method works correct here. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but be careful because the face unlock is less secure of PIN codes or passcodes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.